So I'm out here working, minding my own business, and my automatic drain stopped working like it should on the old Husky Pro. If you look back on some of my videos, I did an automatic drain from Harbor Freight, and let's see if I can, well, I'll show you whenever I'm done. But anyways, it's an automatic drain. Whenever the pressure is going in and then it stops, I guess this part senses it. It opens a valve up real quick and drains out some of the water and then turns off. Well, it drained out and then it wouldn't turn off, so stuck with this now. I tried to spray some WD-40 down in there just see if it would work anything loose, but after I pulled it out, I don't know how well you can see down in there, but there is an O-ring that is kind of cockeyed down inside that. So I'm gonna try and take this apart, and all I did was just unscrew it from one side, unscrew it from the other side, obviously. So let's see if we can take this apart. Hopefully we can just replace the O-ring and life will be good again. Yeah, look at there. You can see, oh, it's kind of hard too. So it looks like that was on there and it just walked its way off. So since I'm in there, I'm going to replace that too. Okay, since this came from Harbor Freight, I'm going to get my metric. Okay, so I'm going to try and find this one first. Kind of looks like this 007. Normally I'd blow this out, but I can't. Look at that. That goes on top like that. And this all gets screwed back together. So, hang on a second. We'll put this all back together and hopefully I can show you how it works. Or with it working. Okay, so got the spring in that way. So I have that open. Let's go ahead and turn this on. Turn this off. Okay. Don't feel anything under there. So I'll let you guys chill out and watch this whenever this fills up. It's got to go all the way up to almost 150 psi. So I hope you saw that, but before it'd keep on peeing out, I guess, for lack of better words. But anyways, that's how I fixed it. Again, I'll show you how I have this set up. Obviously, We have a 90-degree elbow, goes into a T-fitting, which goes into this 1/2-inch couplings to a ball valve, and then that comes out, goes into the automatic drain, comes around up through here, back up under into there, goes into a T-fitting under here, and then so my regular out air pressure I'm going to normally use goes into obviously a 90 and into a T. It's just a pipe with a drain at the bottom of it. Now this was the original one that was on the bottom of the tank. So that brings up. Okay, so we got that. Now we have this ball valve here to turn on and off the air. That goes to the T-fitting, comes back around here. This is a regulator, oil separator, oiler, or water condenser, or whatever, catch. Regulator and oil, automatic oiler. Goes into here, goes into my reel, and obviously out the end. So I use this air compressor all the time. So I wanted to do a couple of the upgrades to make it better. Oh, the other thing I did was this here. I had this on here before I put the extension, and now that I have the extension I don't really need this, but I hadn't really taken it down. But yeah, so there we go. That's my setup. That's how you fix the automatic oil or automatic drain from Harbor Freight. I don't remember how long ago I put the video up, maybe close to a year ago, maybe 8 months, 6 months, I don't know. But that's how long it went until it blew out that O-ring. So just a heads up to anybody that gets the automatic drain. Y'all comment, right? We'll talk to you later. See ya.